Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Gnome Subtitles package is available on the Ubuntu-based repository, so you can install it directly by running next command. Verify the installation with the next command. You can search on the system search bar by typing Gnome Subtitles, or you can find it by icon. Now you can start work with it. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.